Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be unboxing this crystal chemistry garden. I'll be experimenting with this, and we will unbox it now. Pull this down and whoa, look at all these experiments. So here we have this thingy, which is on the cover. Put that there. Here we have some shapes. I don't know what those are for. And here we have some colors. Green, yellow, red. And here we have a blue color thing and a red color thing. I don't know what these are, but they're not medicine. They're instructions. My mom's gonna have to read those, which she's recording and watching. So here we have a blue thing, a measuring cup, this thing that sucks up water. I guess that belongs with that. And here we have a scoopy, shaky thing, salt, and here we have gloves, which I'm gonna have to put on. This is our mess mat. So let me unfold it. I thought we didn't need these, but we did. So I'm gonna put this where we're gonna grow our crystal garden. I'm going to connect these trees together with these holes somehow. Just try. I put these trees together to make a tree, a real tree. There. Now I'm gonna place it right over here. Dump all of it out. There. Now I'm gonna connect all the bushes together. Okay, let me put this there. There. Now we're ready. Now let me put my bush in there. There. Now I have my grass. And find the one with the hole. Put my grass. And now I'm gonna put my grass. Now some bushes. I'm gonna get it all the way in there. Now I'm going to put that bush there, grass, and here's some more grass. We'll just stick it in there. I think this is supposed to be fence, but it looks like grass. So it's adding grass. I wonder if it has color. There. Now I'm going to put some grass here. I'm turning it around so you can see. Okay, I showed you all of it. I'm gonna put my gloves on now. And just unstick this. Okay. Put my gloves on. These are my color choices. I have red, yellow, and green. My mom cut the tips off and we have to and she carefully moved them here, but we have to color them, like different colors. So I'm gonna color the grass green. Whoa, this color's really showing up. I have to carefully do it. Make sure you don't waste it if you do another one. I'm coloring the grass green, like always. I'm gonna color the bushes yellow. Oh, that was a little too much. And now this one. I'm gonna put this green here and color some grass yellow. Color this next one. Yellow. Yellow. Well, that one already yellow. Well, that grass was colored a little yellow, so I'm gonna color that grass yellow. Oh, one side green. This is gonna be a magical place where nobody can come. Ha ha. Well, sort of. Only me. Oh, this is fun. It's like we're squirting water on the trees. I finished coloring my garden. Remember, guys, don't touch your face because paint will get on your face, your clothes, and, well, not your hands. But sometimes paint could get in your hair and your eyes. Now we're going to go on to the next step. I'm going to take a beaker. I'm going to take bluing, pour it in my beaker. I'll put it on this so it doesn't leak. I'm going to dump it in my beaker. My mom will be opening the ammonia solution. That's what it's called. The red thing. My mom opened it. Now I'm going to pour. That's done. I'm going to pour the salt in. Now pour. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna take the pipette and I'm gonna put this on that. But it'll look kind of blue in the starting, but it'll change its color. So let me get this. It'll kind of look bluish. I got so much blue. Oh, you're turning blue. No fair. There. Blue is covering up the whole thing. I'm gonna love blue. I think it's blue. Oh, that was just I think that was a bird hit the window. That must be bad. Poor birdie. I love birds. My dad likes looking at that too. One time when I was eating an apple, well, today I was eating an apple, I put it outside and the squirrel didn't eat it. Well, it didn't eat it yet. Well, sort of. I finished putting the solution on my garden. And I know it looks blue, but my crystal gem garden is going to be beautiful by tomorrow. In the morning, we're going to check my garden. You are going to see my beautiful crystal chemistry garden. The instructions said it to leave for 1 day, but we accidentally forgot and left it for 2 days. It looks like a beautiful garden. It's yellow, red, brown. Well, it didn't have brown, so I mixed it accidentally to be brown. But at least the color still worked. And do not touch them. They're very fragile. I hope you like it and you get to do it at home too. And we took pictures every hour for you to see them. And my favorite part about this was putting the colors on and the gems growing. And putting the blue stuff on it. All of the parts. Please don't forget to press on the link below to subscribe to my channel. Bye!